Today I'm going to show you how to rename your iPhone. The name of your Apple device shows up in a bunch of features like AirDrop, Find My, Personal Hotspot, AirPlay, and by default the name of your phone is just, Griffin's iPhone or John's iPhone. But you can name it whatever you want. So in Settings, General, About, Name, you can give it a different name, like Tog. You can also rename your Apple Watch. If you open the Watch app, it's in General, About, Name. And you can type in whatever you want. Similarly, if you have AirPods connected, you can change the name of those as well. You tap on AirPods and tap Name. If a few different people in your household all have a pair of AirPods, you might want to differentiate yours with a sticker, and you can give them a name that reflects that, like blue AirPods or white AirPods. That is how you can rename some of your Apple devices. I'm D. Griffin Jones with Cult of Mac.